Hello and welcome back class 2 in your English class. Today we are going to take chapter 4 from English 2nd. So my dear students, let us start. The name of our chapter is The King's Reward. The King's Reward. Reward means Inam. Okay. Let's start reading. Once there was a king. He was very good and kind. He was very wise also, but the people in the kingdom were very lazy and they were selfish also. So, dear students, see, once there was a king and the king was very good. He was good, he was kind at heart, and as well as he was very intelligent, he was very wise. But the people who were living in his kingdom, they were very lazy. They don't want to do any work easily. Okay. So they were very selfish also. So let's see what will be there. The king, when wanted to change the nature of the people, he thought of a plan. One day he called his minister and two of the soldiers. The king went out at night with them. He asked the soldiers to put a big boulder on the road. The king came in the morning and hid behind a tree. First came two farmers. They saw the boulder. So, dear ones, as the king was very good, he don't like the laziness of his people. So, he wanted to change the nature, the behavior of his people. So, for that, he thought of a plan. One day he called his ministers and two of the soldiers. Then king went out at night with them. Means he took his two soldiers and one minister and he went out in the night. He asked his soldiers to put a big boulder on the road. उसने अपने सैनिकों से कहा कि बहुत बड़ा सा पत्थर सड़क पर रख दो. The king came in the morning and hid behind a tree. After that they went back to their palace or to their homes. And in the morning, then king came in the morning and hid behind a tree. He hid himself behind a tree. First came two farmers. They saw the boulders. Then two farmers came there and they saw the boulder. Let's see what they will do. The first farmer said, "What a bad thing, a big boulder on the road." The second farmer said, we cannot go this way." The first farmer, "We will go the other way, let someone else remove the boulder." And the second farmer then said, "Yes, that is right, let us go the other way." So, dear students, there first came two farmers and we have seen the conversation among them. First one said, "What a bad thing, a boulder on the road. We will not go on this way," said the second one. Then first one said, "We will go the other way, let someone else remove the boulder." And the king was listening their conversation. Then the second said, "Yes, that's right, let's go the other way." And they decided to go away from there without removing the boulder. Let's see what will be ahead. Then came a few merchants. They also saw the boulders. The first merchant said, "What a bad thing, we cannot go this way." The second merchant said, "It's a fault of king." After the farmers, the merchants came there and they also saw the boulder and they said, "It's a fault of the king." So let's proceed to the next page and read. Now see here given, the third merchant said, "The king must send soldiers to remove the boulder." Then the first merchant said, "Let's wait here." The fourth merchant then said, Let us see." So in this way they said that it is the fault of the king and the king only should send his soldiers to remove this boulder. So they sit aside and they were just looking for the soldiers. Then came a young man. He saw the boulder. He said to the people, "It is very bad. Nobody can go ahead. Let us remove the boulder." Nobody was ready to help the young man, but the young man began to remove the boulder. So he pushed the boulder hard. His hand turned red. At least he removed it to the nearby field. So dear student, as the king hid himself behind a tree, so he was hearing all the conversation of the farmers, and he heard the conversation of the merchants too. Now he was looking that a young man came there, and he saw the boulder, and with the means he asked the merchants to help him, but they were not ready to help him. So by himself only, alone, he started to remove the boulder, and his hands turned red, and at least he removed the boulder and put that boulder into the field. Okay, so let's now read ahead. Now my dear students, see, we are on the last paragraph of this chapter. The king was happy. He came out and called out the young man. He congratulated the man and gave him gifts. The king also made him an officer. The king told the people to be kind and to help others. So dear students, when the king saw the work of that young man, he came out and he called the young man and he gave him few gifts and congratulated him. Then he made him a officer in his court. Then the king told the people to be kind, to be the helpful to others. So this was the story. What do you understand the story? Yes, we should help each other. We should be careful for the help and for the work of others. So my dear students, I have given you few underlined word in this chapter. You please try to write them in your CW copy and learn them. Tomorrow I will give you the exercises. Thank you.